This is Auroville, a heaven on earth, located near Pondicherry in India. Auroville is known for its unity in diversity. When it comes to the architecture of this place, one name stands out, Anupama Kundoo. Born in Pune in 1967, she studied at Sir J.J. School of Architecture and established herself as an architect in Auroville, where she explored the local craftsmanship and developed energy and water efficient architecture. Welcome to this exciting video series on Indian architecture, where we explore the stories of every design. Kundoo's architecture centers around the traditional craft traditions and the construction techniques. Her buildings features handmade materials assembled by the local craftsmen. Many of her buildings can be found in the Auroville, southeastern India, including the Wall House, Auroville Town Hall Complex, the Shah House and many more. Today we will focus on the Shah House, which Anupama designed in 2003. Natural basalt stone was chosen as the primary locally available material, combined with the hand-made hollow terracotta tube for the vaulted roof. In this video, we will explore the design principles, take a look at the technical drawings and discover how you can apply these principles into your design. This house is a prime example of interplay between solid and void spaces. Kundoo's work is deeply rooted in the sustainability and environmentally conscious design. She believed architecture must be connected to its surroundings, with the context of the site being crucial when designing a building. Her architecture clearly differentiates between the private and the public areas, emphasizing that architecture is a social responsibility. Without understanding the need of the society, it is difficult to start a design. Architects must know their roots and how to blend their cultural heritage with the global exposure. Kundoo's blended her architecture experience with the local craftsmanships to build the remarkable house in Auroville. The house features a parabolic roof inside the solid volume of stone walls. To construct these stone walls, Anupama used rammed earth mixed with the 5% cement. The walls were being used terracotta filler slabs, and the house is strategically located at the peak of the slope. These walls are the signature element of the Anupama Kundoo's architecture, placed between solid masses to protect the house from the direct sunlight while providing the natural light inside. The natural wind enters the house, enhancing comfort within the living spaces. Let's understand the conceptual scheme of the house. Please watch this video till the end so that you understand the importance of design principles. This house combines solid and open spaces. Anupama used 3 solid stone volumes with the open spaces in between. This follows the concept of Louis Kahn concept of the served and the servant spaces, where open areas like the living room and the bedroom are the main spaces, while the solid areas like the kitchen and bathroom supports them. Anupama seamlessly integrates the function spaces within the open areas, supported by the house services. In this axonometric view, you can see the clear differentiation between the main space and the supporting spaces. Anupama added vault roof over the main spaces to provide a sense of grandeur. The transparent volume inside the house allows natural light and ventilation throughout. Anupama added terracotta filler walls to the roof. She arranged terracotta pots in the arc shape and poured concrete over them to provide structural strength. This method reduced the thickness of the concrete slab, which also helped in decreasing the carbon emission of the house. She utilized all the locally available material from the vicinity, staying true to her sustainable design philosophy. Let's explore the floor plan of the house. Later in the video, we will discuss how you can incorporate these design principles into your project. As we have discussed, Anupama used 3 solid volumes in the house, constructed from the basalt stone. These volumes were strategically placed to maximize views of the surrounding context. Between these solid volumes, she added transparent space that serves the main living area of the house. Let's take a detailed look of the plan. Here, this is the entrance of the house. You enter through this foyer, which leads to the living area. This living area features a slim covered veranda with the views of the surrounding. Inside the solid volume, you will find the kitchen, dining area and the storage room. There is also a washing area and the toilet at the far end of the house. In the other side of the solid volume, there is a bedroom with the surrounding view supported by the toilet and the dressing areas. On the first floor, the solid volumes extend to include the master bedroom and a study area attached to a toilet and the dressing room. The vault roof on this floor enhances the grandeur of the space. Let's explore the section of the house to understand it better. This house features a combination of flat and the vault roofs. The horizontal load-bearing walls constructed from the stone create the solid volume with the flat roof. Meanwhile, the open spaces are covered with the vault roofs. This height variation in the vault roof allows natural light to filter into the house. Let's quickly look at the perspective elevation of the house. Here you can see the solid volumes designed with the natural stone, while the transparent volumes allow natural light to flood the interiors. The open spaces are covered with the vault roofs, which is distinctive feature of the Kundoo's design. So now the exciting question is, what will happen if we implement these design principles into our design? Let's redesign this house. The first and the most important principle is the use of the solid and the open spaces, which can be adapted to make a house more suitable for the client. The second key principle is the use of material. Here, natural stone and the terracotta pots were used for the construction. The third crucial principle is the climate adaptation, using locally available material and vernacular techniques to provide cooling comfort within the house. So now what will happen if you implement these design principles into another country or maybe into another context? Right here you will find a new interesting design.